Imagine standing by a lake that used to be dirty, smelly, and covered in green slime. Now, it sparkles and fish swim happily under the clear water. Who cleaned it up? If you think of garbage trucks or cleaning crews, think again. The real heroes are much tinier, so small you can't even see them without a microscope. These invisible workers are called microbes. Microbes include bacteria and lots of other super small living things. Even though they're tiny, together they do a huge job. They help keep lakes healthy and water clean. Let's take a closer look. Dirty water isn't just about bottles floating on the surface. It's really a science problem, a mix of too many nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, not enough oxygen, and sometimes the wrong types of life taking over. When all this happens, the water turns green and sludgy, smells bad, and the fish might even die. The whole lake can start to fall apart. But microbes are ready for action. Picture them as a secret cleanup crew. They don't need paychecks, uniforms, or lunch breaks. Given the right conditions, they just multiply until there are enough to get the job done. A lake is layered like a giant cake. Each layer is a habitat for different kinds of microbes. Near the surface, some microbes use sunlight and recycle nutrients. When leaves, dead plants, and fish waste sink down, composting microbes start breaking it all down like tiny garbage munchers. And deep at the very bottom, where there's very little oxygen, special microbes work in the mud. These microbes are like detox specialists. They can change bad chemicals into safer ones. Some of the coolest things microbes do are almost magical. Certain types can break down harmful pollution, turning nasty chemicals into harmless ones. Some bacteria remove nitrogen pollution from the water by turning it into nitrogen gas, which bubbles away harmlessly into the air. Others help stop algae from taking over by changing how nutrients are stored so the water doesn't get thick and green. So when a polluted lake comes back to life, don't forget the invisible power at work. Millions and millions of hardworking microbes cleaning up one tiny molecule at a time. And guess what? People can help the microbe cleanup crew too. By stopping pollution and reducing extra nutrients that run off into lakes from yards and farms, we give these miniature workers what they need to succeed. Even just making sure water flows and oxygen reaches deeper spots can help the good microbes win. These invisible creatures have been working to keep our water clean long before humans ever learned they existed. Next time you see a sparkling lake or a lively pond, remember the secret life beneath the water, nature's tiny but mighty cleanup crew.